This girl right here is not even real, but she makes over $50,000 every single month through brand sponsorships, selling exclusive content, and posting reels online. And she's not alone. There are many other AI influencers taking over social media, earning thousands of dollars every month, and building entire fan bases out of thin air. But here's the problem. A lot of people struggle to create consistent characters and have no clue how to actually use these AI influencers to make money. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI influencer model using just one tool. First, we'll create an extremely realistic AI model. Then we'll use that model to generate exclusive content. After that, we'll create reels and short videos that go viral. And finally, I'll show you how to make brand promotional UGC videos with your AI influencer. And by the end of this video, I'll even reveal my secrets on how to actually monetize them quickly. The only challenge here is understanding how to prompt your model perfectly, which is why I've already created a free ChatGPT prompt that I'll be sharing with you guys. So make sure you stick with me till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now, the most important part of this entire process is your prompt, because no matter how powerful the AI tool is, if your prompt sucks, your AI influencer will too.
No! God, please, no! No!
Most people underestimate this part, but the prompt literally defines how real your model will look. That is why I have built a pro-level prompt. The results you'll get from this will shock you. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. It can be accessed directly from my Discord video prompts channel. Once you paste it into ChatGPT, it instantly generates 5 realistic and ethnicity-specific model ideas, each with a unique body shape, personality, and name. So pick the one that feels right, and let's move to the fun part. So in order to create such an influencer, you normally need several different AI tools. First, for generating a base image of the model, another for generating exclusive content, and a third for Instagram Reels or video. And still, you'll end up with this disaster. The face changes, the hair's different, and it just never looks like the same person. Consistency is the #1 problem that people face. And that's where Influencer Studio comes in. An AI tool designed specifically to create consistent AI influencer models across every photo and video. So once you've signed up using my link in the description, your dashboard will look something like this. Now here's the exciting part. In the next 5 minutes, you'll see how to create an AI model with exclusive content and reels that look 100% real. But really quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I cover AI niches like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start by creating our model. Go to the influencer section and click Create. Choose the second option to generate photos with AI. You can select from existing models, but I recommend starting from scratch. Simply paste in the influencer name we generated from ChatGPT and click Pick Avatar. Now copy all the customizations like ethnicity, body shape, age, and hairstyle from your ChatGPT prompt. Also paste in the additional attributes and click Next. Influencer Studio starts generating a batch of images based on your customization, and this is where things get wild. Every image has incredible skin, texture, and realism. If you're not happy with those previews, you can easily create more. Just pick the one that best fits your needs, and that becomes your model, all set to make money for you. Now that our influencer is ready, it's time to create the type of content that actually sells. Watch closely. Inside the influencer section, select your generated model so that every image maintains consistency. Simply enter any prompt in the following box, like any lifestyle photo, gym session, or anything that fits your mood. Then choose the number of images you want. I'll go with 4. Also, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for Instagram stories and posts. Lastly, hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll get 4 incredibly realistic images where your model looks perfectly consistent. Now to create exclusive content for platforms like Fanvue. Simply enter a new prompt that includes a more exclusive thing. And within seconds, Influencer Studio does the job. Obviously, as the images are so realistic, I will have to blur them. Imagine uploading this to Fanvue or OF and no one realizing it's AI. But 99% of people fail because they only post boring static pics. But what really drives engagement are reels. If you've seen those viral AI girls dancing on your Instagram feed, this is exactly how they do it. The difference? Ours will look cinematic and consistent, not plastic like others. So, go to the video feature inside your generated model. From the advanced settings, upload one of your model image as a reference. Then, enter a motion prompt, such as dancing or walking. Select the aspect ratio and duration based on your needs. From below, select a video model. I would recommend going with the Kling 2.5 as it is cheaper than the VO model. So once you're done, simply click the Generate button. What you get is a video with your AI model dancing or just vibing, and it looks shockingly real. This is how you grab attention on Instagram. Now I'm going to show you how to create brand sponsorship with your exact model, as brands only work with influencers who can promote and sell their products, just like a real creator. So head to the advanced section and go to the audio feature. In the text-to-speech option, simply enter the script you received from the brand. Then choose a voice that matches your model's personality. Influencer Studio supports dozens of voices from 11 labs. Finally, click the Generate button, and you'll instantly get a natural-sounding voiceover. Let us now make her hold the product. Go back to the influencer section. Select your model and head to the UGC section. From here, enter a video prompt and upload one of your model image as a reference. Choose an aspect ratio and duration for your video. Then, select a video model. I'm going with Kling 2.5. Then upload the product image you want to promote. And lastly, upload the generated voiceover. Once you're done, click on the Generate button. And within seconds, you'll get a brand-ready video where your AI influencer is holding and talking about the product. This is how you get brands to notice you. Now this is the part where most videos end. They show you how to make an influencer, but not how to actually make money using it. So here's how you play it smart. The easiest way to start is through exclusive content, which I showed you guys earlier. Platforms like OF, Fanvue, and Instagram subscriptions are built exactly for this type of work. But don't stop there. Brand sponsorships and UGC videos are where the bigger money is. Reach out to small brands, show them the sample promotional videos you created using Influencer Studio, and offer to make similar ads for their products. You'll be shocked at how many brands are open to AI-based influencer campaigns right now. Lastly, comment exclusive below if you want access to my secret prompts that I use to create exclusive content. And with that, you not only learned how to make an AI influencer, but also how to turn it into a business. You now have an all-in-one AI tool, with the necessary prompts and an entire blueprint that real creators are using to build six-figure incomes. So don't sleep on this. Give Influencer Studio a try using the link given below. And access the free Google Doc with all the prompts from my Discord server. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's into AI side hustles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.